Okay, ngọc, we'll do some here. Speaking, okay? Let's see how far we can get. Okay, I did this yesterday. Speaking here. Okay, we're going to do this one. Speaking. So you have to think about a place. Describe somewhere you like to shop for food. You should say where this place is, what this place is like, what you buy there, and explain why you like buying food there.
I like buy some food in near near the market. The market is very near my house.
Not my house. What is a house? I don't know what a house is. It's near my
house.
House, yes. Okay.
House. And I can walk. To there to buy some a lot of fresh food in here, and I buy it's the food for family and for meal. For meal.
So do you like to go to a market?
Yes, I like.
Okay, you like to go to a market. What is the best shop there that you like to go to? What is the shop you like to go to there? Is it a clothes shop? Is it a fruit and vegetable shop? Is it a meat shop? Is it a nut shop? What shop do you like most?
I think the vegetable shop I like most. Vegetable shop.
The vegetable shop. Hong An? Where must you learn? Hong An, I'm not sure that you're learning with us. Let me see where you should learn today. Hong An, you must learn with teacher Karen today. Hong An, teacher Karen. Okay, I just want to quickly get a photo of this. Okay. Okay, so let's say you are let's say describe somewhere you like to. I like to shop at a local market. It is much cheaper than the supermarket, which is great if you are a student. which is great if you are a student. The food is very fresh. Because people shop there frequently. I like to shop at a local market near my home. It is much cheaper than the supermarket, which is great if you are a student. The food is fresh because people shop there frequently. It can get very busy and crowded at times. Because it is a popular place. What do you like to buy there, Ngọc?
I like buy fast food.
I like to buy fresh fruit at the market. Which one is your favorite stall? Which stall is your favorite?
My favorite store is vegetable store.
I like to buy fresh fruit at the market, which is also my favorite stall. The food is really good. And the market is very popular. Let me say popular, I will say popular. The food is really good. And the people are friendly. Okay. Okay, Ngọc, tell me about the place again. The place that you like. Hi, Phước.
Yes, I like to shop at a local market near my house. It is much cheaper than the supermarket.
No, not how. House.
House. It is much cheaper than the supermarket, with it great if you are a student. The food is very fresh because people shop there from quality. It can get very busy and crowded at times because it is a popular place. I like to buy fresh food at the market, with it also my fresh store. The food is very good and the people are very friendly.
Okay, Phước, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I can't see you, sweetie. Okay, tell me about your favorite shop. Where do you shop, Phước?
The shop is near my house. It's like a small shop and sell a lot of things. And I buy like meat, vegetable, and some other things.
Yeah, but now you have to say if it's famous, if it's... Okay, Phước, look at her example. She's saying, I like to shop at the local market. It's near your house. You have to say what this place is, what you buy there, and why you like to shop there. Why do you like to shop there, Phước? Why do you like to shop there?
I like to shop there because the meat and vegetable is really cheap for me to buy, and when I go there, a lot of people uh, are friendly and nice, and they can remember of your name.
Oh, nice. Okay. Ngọc, tell me about a place that you like to shop for food.
I like to shop at the local market near my house. It is much cheaper than the supermarkets with its rate if you are a student. The food is very fresh because people shop there are for quality. It can get very busy and crowded at times because it is a pure play. I like to buy fresh food at the market squid is also my favorite store. The food is really good and the people are very friendly.
Okay, the people are very friendly. Good. Okay, Fock, you can tell me about your supermarket. Fock,
Oh yes,
tell me about your market or place where you like to shop.
I like to buy a small shop like near my house, and they are cheaper than in the other shop and in the supermarket. And you can and a lot and the people at the shop is really friendly.
And what do you like to shop there for? What do you buy there?
And I like to buy like meat, vegetable, and some other else.
Meat, vegetables. Okay. And what is the place like? What is the place like?
The place is like a small shop, and it's like a house, and they sell other things.
Oh, it's a house. Okay. So it's small or busy?
Yeah, I think it's a house, but uh, it's tall, and the shop is really small, but it doesn't it but it's quiet and doesn't look like it's crowded.
Oh, okay, nice. So here, number C will be your market. There's a supermarket. Okay. Let's just go down. I want to look at vocabulary here, unit 1. Okay, vocabulary, unit 1. I hope my visit won't cause you too much trouble. Ngok, number 2.
Students are studying at the forest university will really affect the way you see the world.
Is it A or E?
A.
Perfect. Okay, Fok, number 3.
If you are not careful about money, you can get into a lot of trouble financially.
In a lot of trouble financially. Number 4, Ngok. Investigators.
Investigators are carrying out research into problem of culture shock on our students.
Investigators are carrying out research into the
problem
of culture shock and overseas students. Okay, number 5, Phước.
Some students had many problems adapting to our very different lifestyle.
Some students have had many trouble adapting to our very different lifestyle. Okay, number 6, Ngọc.
New technology have an enormous effect on the way
we interact. Okay, any words here you don't understand? Ngọc, you can let me know. Words here that you don't know. Look for words here that you don't know.
Almost a student.
No, I can't hear it. Say again.
Student.
You're not saying it right. What number?
Number 4.
Investigators. Overseas students. Which one, Ngọc? Overseas student, that one? Hello? You need to answer me, yes or no. That one?
Yes.
Okay.
Du học sinh. Du học sinh.
Anything else?
Financially.
Financially.
Oh, yes, teacher.
Okay, I will. Financially. Financially is your money.
Về tài chính. Về tài chính.
Okay, anything else? Ngọc, anything else?
I think it's no.
Phước, anything else? Phước?
No, teacher.
No, okay. If you don't answer me, I don't know. You need to answer, okay? So you know all the words. Okay, let's go to number 2. Study the graph below and complete these sentences with present or percentage. Then decide if the sentences are true or false according to the graph. Correct the false ones. Study the graph below and complete these sentences with present or percentage. So we have to say present or percentage. Those are the words. 65% of overseas workers in Germany learn to speak German. 65%. It's false. It's false. Look at number 1 because it's 75%, not 65%. Okay, ngọc, number 2.
The present a worker from abroad who learned to speak English is lowest in the United States.
No, I don't know what you're saying. Say again.
The percentage
of workers from
abroad who learn is to speak English is lowest in the United States.
Or false? ngọc, true or false?
True. It's true.
Why? Why do you say it's true? What do they speak in Australia then?
Because in United States lowest for lowest to about to nearly 10%.
It's 15%. This one is 15%, yes? And this one is 10%. So the lowest is not 15. What is the lowest? The percentage workers from abroad who learn to speak English is lowest in the United States. No. 10% is lowest. It's Australia. False. False. 10% is the lowest, which is Australia. Number 3, Phước.
Workers from other countries who learn to speak English in the UK and the USA are 18 and percentage respectively.
18 and 15? What?
15%.
I know, 15 what? Percent, or 18 and 15% respectively. Okay. Workers from other countries who learn to speak English in the UK and are 15. That's true. Yes? Percent. Okay. True. Okay, now ngọc.
Vietnam has a third high, the highest percentage of our work learning to speak the language with the fast standing at 7%. 70%.
Belgium has the third highest percentage the third highest percentage of overseas workers learning to speak the language, with the figure standing at 70%. Is it true or false?
False.
It's, no, not false, false. False. It's the second highest, not the third highest. It's the second highest. Okay, tell me about the words here you don't know. Ngọc, are there words here you don't know?
I think it's no.
Phước, any words here you don't know?
No, teacher.
Okay, you know all of them. People who are ready to change their views often find it easier to adapt to a new culture. Okay. Ngọc, number 2.
You will learning the language most quickly. The quickest. You will learn the language much quicker if you share accommodation with people from the country. Is another word. It will save a lot of time.
You will learn the language much quicker. Quicker. You will learn the language much quicker. Quicker. Okay, Phước.
Many students are interested to the university because it has the reputation of being one with the good teacher.
Many students are attracted to this university because it has the reputation of being the one with the
good.
There's no such words than gooder. Best. It's good, better, best. Okay, Ngọc.
I think this is a communication language. Communication language I have ever tried to study. I really don't know if I'm making progress.
I think this is the
complication.
I think this is the most complicated language. The most complicated language I have ever tried to study. I really don't know if I'm making progress. Complicate, more complicated, most complicated. So it's complicated, it's more complicated, it's most complicated. Okay. Falk, next one.
You will find the film much funnier if you watch it in the original version.
Funnier. Number 6, Ngọc.
Gì? Many of us students find understanding of their student bigger problem than understanding the teacher.
Many overseas students find understanding other students. Many overseas students find understanding other students a bigger problem than understanding. A bigger problem. The sentence isn't right, but okay. Okay, number 7, Falk.
The most successful students are not always the one with the best.
No, I can't hear it if you're going to put your mic off and on when you speak, okay? Try again. The
most successful students are not always the one with the best grade.
The most successful students. The most successful students. Ngọc, number 8.
Many people prefer traveling by train because they thinking is safer than traveling by plane.
Okay, any words here, Ngọc, that you don't know? Ngọc?
Yeah, teacher.
Any words you don't know?
No.
Okay.
No.
Falk, any words you don't know?
No, teacher.
You know all the words. Okay, let's have a look at unit 2. No, gone. Okay. Okay, I think this is unit 2, right? Yeah. Okay, unit 2. Ngọc, number 1.
Although that type of discipline, they can be harmful to a woman.
Although pesticides protect plants, they can be harmful. Harmful. Harmful to humans. Falk, the next one.
The iron joy of the meal was spoiled by the loud music in the restaurant.
Our enjoy of the meal was spoiled. Our enjoy of the meal was spoiled. Okay, say your answer again, Falk.
Our enjoy of the meal was spoiled by the loud music in the restaurant.
I enjoy of the meal. Phước, what's your answer?
Our enjoy of the meal was spoiled by loud music in the restaurant.
You're not changing anything. You're just saying enjoy. Our enjoy of the meal. There's no such thing. It's an enjoyable meal. You don't say I enjoy of our enjoy of the meal. That's wrong. So what is the, you can't keep it as enjoy.
Our enjoy
Our
of the
enjoy.
meal was
No, Spock. I've never
our
heard.
enjoy of the meal.
No, I've never heard of this. I've never heard of people saying I'll enjoy. That's why I want to see if there's an answer for this one. I've never heard of that. They don't say our enjoy. You don't say that. Here, unit 2. Reading, listening, writing. Healthy. Yeah. Healthy. Vocabulary. Useful, convenient. Our enjoyment. It's our enjoyment. But now there is actually a vocabulary piece in this unit here that I didn't see. We'll have to do that next time, unit 3. Our enjoyment. It's enjoyment, our enjoyment. Our enjoyment. Okay, number 4, ngọc.
I have done so much exercise at gym.
No, not exercise. What is exercise? There's no such thing as exercise. Speak properly. You have to say your words properly. Otherwise, nobody will be able to understand you. I've done so much exercise at the gym that I'm totally exhausted. Totally exhausted. Okay, say it again.
I have done so much exercise at gym that I am.
I don't know what you are saying. People will never be able to understand you. You have to pronounce your words properly. I've done so much. I can't hear much. I can't hear exercise. Say it again.
I have done so much exercise at the gym. Exercise that I'm totally exhausted.
Exercise. Say it again.
Exercise.
No, it's not exercise. There's another S. There's 2 S's. Exercise. There's another S. Exercise.
Exercise.
There we go. Exhausted.
Exhausted.
No, exhausted.
Exhausted.
Okay, number 5.
Someone told me this juice was very tasty, but I don't like the flavor.
Was very tasty, yes. Okay, number 6, ngọc.
The vegetables in our local shop have been organic.
Organically produced. Okay, number 7, phước.
My brother has a really healthy diet. He eats nothing but fried food.
Fried food, is that healthy? Unhealthy. He only eats fried food. Is fried not? Oh, no, it's not. It's healthy. Okay, it's healthy. Sorry. Let's say healthy. Number 8, ngọc.
Some people critical conversational farming methods, but they do products higher.
Some people critically conventional or critics conventional farming methods, but they do produce high yields. Conventional farming methods, but they do produce high yields. Critic is when you give negative or positive, but more negative comments about a subject or a topic. Okay.